Nobody's born a natural at the pool table. You grind, you improve. That's just how it works. Lock in your fundamentals the right way, and everything you do in a real game gets sharper. For mid-table cut shot practice, set up 10 balls exactly like the diagram. 5 on the left, 5 on the right, with 1 ball's width of spacing between each ball. Stroke through the ball with medium speed or higher. Never baby the shot. Soft rolling your way through drills kills your stroke confidence over time. Committing to a full, solid stroke is what builds your cue ball control and shot consistency. A reference aiming diagram is provided below. Run this rack every single day for at least half an hour. Drill pattern 2. This mid-table cut shot drill steps it up a notch. The pocket margin on the object ball gets tighter, leaving less room for error on your cut angle. This pattern is also great for working on your rail bridge stability when you're stretched out along the cushion. And I'll say it again, stroke through the ball. A soft push shot is the worst habit you can build in practice. Even if the ball drops, you're not developing anything. Remember, what we're training here is decisive cue delivery. No hesitation, no guiding, just a committed stroke every time. Drill pattern 3. Once your mid-table cuts are solid, it's time to move into rail cut shots off the foot rail. This pattern covers the most common cut angles, both left and right cuts, within 45 degrees off the rail. These are half-table shots, and you need to drill them until they're automatic with 0 misses. When you clean these up in practice, your unforced error rate on easy shots in a real game drops way down. At first, don't overthink your English or cue ball position. Just use whatever stroke feels most natural to you. Match the speed you see in the video. Your goal is to pocket each ball 3 times in a row. That's how you know it's locked in. Drill pattern 4. Now we crank the difficulty all the way up. This is 10 common cut shots off the foot rail from mid-table positions, both left and right cuts across the full range. Same rule applies. Pocket each ball 3 times in a row, minimum, at medium speed or higher. No soft rolls. Accuracy is the foundation of everything in the early stages of your development. Without it, all your other skills, your English, your shape play, your safety game, they mean nothing. Pocket control is the base. Everything else builds on top of it. Run all 4 drill patterns every day, half an hour each. Stick with it for just 1 month, and your accuracy and shot making will improve faster than you ever expected.